In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a code in the Microsoft Store step by step. Whether you're trying to redeem a gift card, game code, or any other product code, this guide will make the process a breeze. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Store website. By visiting the store, which is their official hub for downloading apps, games, and other content for your Windows PC, you're setting the stage for this straightforward process. On the top right corner of the page, you'll find the profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. Doing this will prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account if you haven't already. If you're not signed in, make sure you enter your credentials securely to access your account. Once you're signed in, you're ready to proceed to the redemption page where the magic happens. For this, simply navigate to redeem.microsoft.com. This is a direct link to the site where you can enter and redeem your product keys or codes. The page is user-friendly and very intuitive. You don't need to worry about getting lost or clicking through endless menus. Now that you're on the redemption page, you'll see a space prompting you to enter your code. Codes are typically a 25-digit sequence consisting of both letters and numbers. Carefully type in your 25-digit code. Remember to double check what you've entered. A small typo can prevent the system from recognizing your code correctly. Be precise, as each character must be entered exactly as shown. Once you're sure your code is correct, click the next button to proceed. The system will then validate your code. If it's a valid code, your product or credit will be automatically added to your account. In cases where the code might be unreadable due to an error, the page will prompt you with a message indicating that the issue needs rectification. If everything checks out, you will receive a confirmation message letting you know that the redemption was successful. And that's all there is to it. You have now successfully redeemed your code in the Microsoft Store. It's a quick and simple process that can unlock a lot of great content for your Windows PC. Remember, codes can sometimes be sensitive, so be sure to store them safely until you're ready to redeem. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful to you. Feel free to subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. Have a great day and enjoy your new apps and games.